email. So let's get started. You open your Facebook, then here you come to your click on your profile picture here. The next thing is you're going to do is, sorry guys, let me show my tab. So what you're going to do next here is come here and click on settings, and now click on your account center. Then here we're going to do is click on your personal details. Here, click on your personal details, and this is it. Click on contact info, and now this is it. I already have my email. Yes, I'm going to remove the email. I'm going to delete my email now. And I'm going to add another one here. Delete email. Okay, so we ask you to ask for my password, but if you're going to add your own email, just go back here. Just click on add new contact, then you can see add new email. Just click on add new email, and this is it. You can enter the email you want to input. Once you have entered it here now, just click on next. But because I already let me add a new email here. I'm just going to make sure you write the correct email. This is the email you can see. And once you are done, now which account do you want to use this email for? Just choose the account, then you click on next. Once you click on next, you can see a confirmation code has been sent to that your email. So what you need to do is go to your email, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to teach you everything from A0 to the end. So guys, before we go, please subscribe. Now I'm going to go to my Gmail. What you need to do is just go to your Gmail to go and get the verification code. Just click on your Gmail account here, and you're going to see, if you can see, this is the verification code. Just click on it. Once you click on it, what you need is to just click on, you can click on this. You can see this is the verification code here. Just tap on it to copy it, and you copy it. Then you go back to your Facebook to go and input the code. Now it's take it directly to it, so don't worry. Just come here back, then you come your personal details. Click on your personal details, click on contact info, then add new contact, then add your email. So this is it. Just write the email back, click on that, add the account, then click on next, then click enter the verification code. Just paste it there and click on next. You can see it is rolling, and this is it. You have added your email to the account selected. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe.